stop using AutoDS for drop shipping. Their customer support is pathetic. They say that they will answer you in 24 hours, but you look at this. 5 days ago, I've had numerous tickets go unanswered. And if you are doing drop shipping, you may lose your account if you are not able to fulfill orders for your customers. Like this fellow here, he lost his ePay account, a 13-year ePay account, because of AutoDS, and it's just 12 hours ago. It's because of their customer support not working. So what I'll recommend is to use Pocket. What I recommend for you is to use Pocket, because if you are in the US and Europe, this is where you can get the best suppliers for your products. With 80% of US and EU suppliers enjoy fast, reliable, and hassle-free shipping to customers. So for fast shipping within 2 to 5 days, then Pocket is the best platform. For AutoDS, they ship from all over the world. But when you are in drop shipping, you should consider the shipping time and also quality products. In terms of quality and customer service, I'll recommend Pocket. And with Pocket, drop shipping, you can integrate with Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, Square Plus, AliExpress, eBay, Wix, Alibaba, all those websites. And let's check out some of the tools they use. So you can also integrate with a Shopify store, and you can always seamlessly be able to upload the products that you are getting from their suppliers. You can integrate directly to your Shopify store, and some of the key categories that are here are home and garden, toys, footwear, beauty. So you are not limited to any category of the products you are selling. So for fast shipping and also good customer support, use Pocket. I'll also leave a link in the description for you to access Pocket. So I'll advise you not to use AutoDS. So if you are dealing with AliExpress, we have Scissors. With this, you can integrate directly with AliExpress and also have a free plan. You can check out the link in the description if you want to access it. And you can integrate with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and many other integration. So with Scissors, you can connect with your suppliers directly. So this is for those people who are dropshipping with AliExpress. So if you are getting started with any dropshipping tool, make sure that you read these reviews. Most of these 5-star reviews are not true. So if you want to get the real reviews, make sure that you select on the other reviews. Most of these reviews are fake. So make sure that you check out the other reviews, because those are the true reviews. And you can see for AutoDS, it's just 12 hours ago. 12 hours ago, I'm a current customer and they are doing the opposite of what they are supposed to do. So AutoDS is a no-go zone. You may lose your account like my fellow here. So if you want to get started, use Pocket to access fast shipping and also reliable customer support so that you cannot lose your account. Like, share, and follow for more if you want to get started with dropshipping tools that are of value to you and that will help you grow your business.